Welcome to the Urban Road Maintenance Expert System, an intelligent decision support tool that helps improve the quality and durability of urban roads. Urban roads often face challenges like frequent distresses, delays in maintenance, high repair costs, and inconsistent practices. To address these issues, a web-based expert system was developed. It is IRC-compliant, built on expert surveys and field practices, and designed to be user-friendly. This is the main interface of the system. Users can choose between single distress mode for one problem or multiple distress mode when more than one issue is observed. In single distress mode, users provide inputs like type of distress, severity, traffic type, budget, material availability, time urgency, and extent of damage. The system then generates the most suitable treatment with cost, procedure, equipment, and IRC references. Based on the inputs, the system suggests the recommended treatment. It provides a step-by-step procedure, suggestions, cost, required time, and equipment, along with IRC codes for reference. The system also generates a downloadable PDF report. It captures all input parameters, recommended treatment, procedure, costs, equipment, and IRC codes in a standardized format. In multiple distress mode, users can select both a major and a minor distress type. Other inputs remain the same, allowing the system to provide a combined treatment strategy for realistic road conditions. Thank you for watching. The Urban Road Maintenance Expert System makes road maintenance smarter, faster, and more reliable, helping to build durable urban roads for the future.